Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your microphone is not working on Google Hangout in the Google Chrome web browser. This tutorial is being performed on a Windows 11 computer here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon. Search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select the three horizontal lines up at the top. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select on the area that says privacy and security. So go ahead and left click on that. On the right side, scroll down underneath app permissions and go ahead and select microphone. Make sure where it says let apps access your microphone, make sure Chrome or any other apps are turned on and that the master control is turned on here as well for microphone access. And now that you've done that, see if that has resolved the problem. If not, something else you can try here too. If you open up the Chrome web browser, select the menu icon at the top right corner of the browser screen. Just go ahead and left click on that and select settings. In the search settings field, go ahead and type in microphone. Select site settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath permissions, so now you want to go ahead and select microphone. Sites can ask to use your microphone. You want to click inside the drop down up here at the top and make sure your correct microphone is selected from this list and make sure sites can ask to use your microphone is selected. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Also make sure allowed to use your microphone or not allowed. Make sure Google Hangouts is not in the not allowed section. So if it is, you want to delete that, but pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.